episode of our Reliv Shake It Up series. This is where we feature Reliv Shake recipes from our customers and our distributors.
And for our very first episode, we are featuring Miss Maria Lyons Green Goddess Shake!
Wow! Thank you so much, Miss Maria, for sharing your recipe with us. And now we're going to share it with all of you. So, ready ka na ba, Jera?
Yes, ready na!
Alright! Let's shake it up! So, Jera, ano ang ating ingredients?
Unang-una sa lahat, kailangan natin maglagay ng tubig.
This recipe is for 3 to 5 people, pero swear, dahil sa sarap nitong shake na to, baka for 2 lang. We'll see! Okay, so ano ang next natin na ilalagay?
Of course, kailangan natin maglagay ng aking paboritong Energized Lemon.
Energize is our energy and sports nutrition drink. I always take Energize before and after my workouts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, okay, next.
Isa sa ating special ingredients, 1/2 cup ng sliced cucumber.
Sa mga hindi kumakain, hindi nila malalaman.
Isa pa sa ating ingredients, isa dito napakasustansya nito, Miss Yan, 1/2 cup ng malunggay leaves.
Guys, sino mag-aakala na pwedeng inumin ang malunggay? Wala. So, di ba? This recipe is jam-packed with vitamins and minerals.
Na-excite na ako, Miss Yan. At syempre, huwag niyong kakalimutan maglagay ng ice cubes.
Okay. Yun na,
Nakaka-excite.
OMG!
Diba pa lang, sobrang refreshing na.
Are you ready, Jera?
Yes, ready na.
Guys, let's shake it up! Guys, pag kulang pa sa inyo yung lasa, pwede pa kayo mag-add ng Energize. Like, another 2 scoops, but it all depends on you. So, titikman na natin!
The moment of truth!
Wow! Oh my God, ang ganda ng kulay! Cheers, Jera!
No joke. Ang sarap-sarap.
Ang sarap!
Grabe.
Damang-dama ko yung nutrients na dumadali sa katawan ko. Guys, you have to try this, ha? It's really, really good and it's very, very nutritious. Again, thank you, Miss Maria. And for all our customers and distributors, if you have your own Reliv Shake recipes, please share niyo po sa amin. Email, message us para ma-feature po namin kayo. See you on our next episode. Let's get healthier
And live happier with